Okay guys, so our pet died. I'm gonna name him Puggy. Yes, you're supposed to name him Puggy, but he died. Hi, I'm gonna name him Spider-Man. Oh, he said, oh, Spider-Man, look, he died. Yeah. Puggy. Still alive. He's Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Oh, look, his wing collapsed. Now he's Spider-Man. Now I'm gonna bury him. We're gonna bury him. Now we're gonna. Don't close it. We're gonna grab it. The leaf. Why? Oh. His name is Spider-Man. I'm gonna name him Puggy or Spider-Man. I'm gonna name him Spider-Man forever. Look at that. Look, there's a Spider-Man box. You see, this comic below is cool. Look at that! We upgrade this. My ring. Hey, what about the video? We're gonna bury him. Yes, we covered him with like grass. Nice. I'm gonna click this thing. Oh my god. Wait a second, okay? I'm gonna push it. Right, so look at this. Sign. Bye, Puggy. Hey, his name is Spider-Man, not Puggy. Look, the grass is collapsing. Oh my god, Puggy. Puggy? Puggy, I miss you. Yeah. No, cover the body. I need to cover the body. No, we need not because we're gonna name his Spider-Man. Below. We're gonna name him Spider-Man! No, Puggy. No, I like Spider-Man. I like that. Are you sure still alive? Yeah. I want this talking something. How about this grass? We don't need to go. No, we don't die. We cut die. My lampinig die. Be supposed to be in English. I think it's English. I love lampinig. Puggy is here. No, Puggy is here. Not Puggy is not here. Is Puggy. I love you. Puggy, I love you. Hey, Spider-Man. Comment below what's gonna name. Puggy or Spider-Man. Ang laga ni Kinkin manamatay.